I have chosen this design because I made it myself and therefore I know exactly how it works. However, there are a couple of problems. The first one is that it is not completely finished. I still need to configure the RC motor to work to flick on the light, and also the wires are they're not made in an orderly fashion, and the buzzers are not properly connected, and the Arduino is not configured at all. However, it does meet the success criteria of having 24 wires, 4 buttons, a lit light, an LCD light, an RTC, a resistor, buzzer, and Arduino Uno, and a servo motor. I have not configured the LCD screen because it would be unnecessary to do at this point. Oh yeah, that is also another thing that I have not shown in this design. I have not configured the LCD screen because I need help doing that from Mr. JC or the manual or something. That would be something to come in here. Where I connect these cables to the LCD screen, and then I use that and configure that. It will not need casing. We can easily see that it does not have casing. It is just on. This can be attached to tape or some form of glue to be stuck up on the wall, and yeah. We cannot tell if it would work or not since we have not tested it. However, judging by how it looks, I can tell that it will work. It seems to be smaller than 150 times 150 times 100 millimeter. This is less than 150 millimeters. This is around 10 centimeters, which is 100 millimeters. So there is no problem there, and this is around the same length. Should be able to be stuck to the wall. Once again, I have not configured that so that there is something that makes it to be able to be stuck to the wall as behind, such as tape or glue or something. The wires, as previously stated, are not well organized. All in all, I think that I have chosen this design because I've made it myself, and I've made it in real life, so it actually looks realistic. I've made this design too, and in this design the wires are more organized and the buttons are more organized. However, this is just a design that was made. It was not even nearly, it was just on paper, and after that this is also just an early sketch that that displays how I could put it, so that where it is it's not very slim, but it's very small. Like I would expect this to be 50 times 50 times 50 centimeters big. And yeah, thank you for listening.